So now look at this question. Divide 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. So the same way, using syntactic division. So write the coefficients. That will be 2, 4. So 2, 4 minus 2, 1. So we are writing the coefficient as usual. 2, 4 minus 2, 1 and the constant term. So divide by 2x minus 1. Remember, I said set that one to be equal 0. So that means 2s minus 1 equals 0. So 2s is equals to 1. So s is equals to 1 over 2. So that means you are writing 1 over 2 outside here. So it's still the same format as that other one. So the next step is that you bring this 2. So write it. So continue with the normal procedure. 1 over 2 times 2. So see that now. This will be 1 over 2 times 2. So that means 2 will cancel 2. 1. So you should see that. So the same way, 1 over 2 times 2. 1. Then 4 plus 1. 5. Again, 1 over 2 times 5. As in, look at it. 1 over 2 times 5. So that will be 5 over 2. So this will be 5 over 2. So you are adding this again. That is minus 2 plus 5 over 2. So the LCM is 2. 1 in 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. So minus 4 plus 5. So minus 4 plus 5 is 1. So that means this will be 1 over 2. Remember, you are working in fraction. Again, 4 plus 1, 5. So minus 2 plus 5 over 2 will give you 1 over 2. Again, 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. That is 1 over 4. So then 1 plus 1 over 4. That is 5 over 4. So we are done. So that is 5. 1 plus 1 over 4. So LCM is 1. So that is one whole number, 1 over 4. Anyhow. So you still get 5 over 4. Take note. So that means our quotient now. Look at this. You will see difference now because of these two. So you will say, normally your quotient is 2s squared, this one, plus 5s, the second one, then plus 1 over 2. This will be your quotient. And remainder is this one. So remainder is 5 over 4. Now, you leave your remainder. That is 5 over 4. But this quotient, you have to multiply it. Divide it rather by 2. Please take note again. Anytime you are now dividing by something that you have coefficient here, after the normal procedure, divide your results here. Each of your results here, divide it by that coefficient here. Remember, we have 2x minus 1. So that means I'm dividing my quotient here by 2, as in like that. So if it is 3, divide by 3. If it is 4, divide by 4. So divide by any number you have here after everything. But if this 2 is not there, so you leave your answer like that, such like all the previous examples. But if there is coefficient, divide by that coefficient. So this will cancel out. So this will be s squared plus 5 over 2s plus 1 over 4. Because 1 over 2 divided by 2 over 1 is like saying 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So that is 1 over 4. So this will now be your quotient and this will be your remainder. So like that.